The key fob not detected error in your Dodge Durango usually points to three main culprits: a dead key fob battery, issues with the RF hub, or antenna problems. First, replace the key fob battery with a new CR2032. Ensure the new battery reads above 2.5 volts using a multimeter. If that doesn't work, try resetting the RF hub. This can be done by cycling the vehicle's ignition or using an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes related to communication with the key fob, like U0140. Remember, environmental factors such as humidity and electromagnetic interference can also play a role, so rule out those possibilities before moving on. If battery replacement and RF hub reset fail, the Durango's antennas may be the problem. These antennas receive the fob's signal, and interference can disrupt them. A full reset involves disconnecting the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the body control module BCM's memory, followed by antenna calibration. Antenna calibration is sometimes accessible via the vehicle's infotainment system or requires dealer tools. In the future, Dodge Durangos are trending towards digital and smartphone integrated keys using technologies like UWB, ultra-wideband, already present in 2024 plus models, to improve key detection reliability. Stay updated with Stellantis over-the-air OTA updates for your Durango's BCM and RF hub, as these updates can reduce the occurrence of this issue. If DIY solutions don't work, a dealership visit might be necessary for more complex diagnostics and potential hardware replacements.